Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. And during this episode today we are going to show you how we are going to renovate this bureau that's just coming on your screens. We have just purchased this piece, and when we saw it online it was for us something that we could work creatively on. So our main priority is to have this piece of furniture as a statement piece. It's not large, it's a lovely piece. It needs some minor touch-ups before we start the sanding and cleaning process, and then you will see us doing a lot of quirky things. So let's get started. here we are at ready with phase 1, or the many mini phases that we have gone through to have this kind of finish. Going through all the process, we cleaned, we sanded, we mended where it needed to be mended, then we sanded, we removed the knobs obviously, and we did the raised stenciling, these here, and we applied the bendy molds here and below in here, and afterwards we gave a couple of coats of Stone Rosy, which is a very nice beigey color. Now this is our canvas, so finally we can start blending and creating our own version of this piece. If you noticed, we have like the blue tape here and the blue tape below, because the legs we decided to leave them in wood. So after we do all the process, we're going to really sand well our legs and give them some wax, and we leave them in wood. And also the wooden parts that come out when we mainly open this part here, these come out, and these we are going to leave in wood as well to complement the underlying legs on this piece. So that's enough for this episode. We gave you a lot of processes and some techniques, and in the next episode we will be going through the creative process, the color blending and whatnot. You'll see next time. Till then, ta-ta! Brand new Rescoli by Carlo, and they will Carlo.